For me, kayaking, it has been the biggest present anybody has given me. The relationship with nature, it's amazing. You get to see amazing places. It's all positive, and I'm so stoked to have found this sport and to live the life I'm living. My name is Aniol Serrasolses. I'm 22 years old. I was born in a little village called Bescanó, and I've been kayaking for the last 12 years. This is the sport I love, and I really enjoy it, and I'm just gonna keep doing it forever. I do experiment fear a lot of times while kayaking. I think it's really normal to experiment fear when you're doing something crazy like creek boating on class 5. If you didn't feel fear, you are crazy, because this is dangerous, man. At times running a river, it just feels like being in a train that doesn't have a stop. You really can play with all the features that the river creates. Waves, holes, just eddies. Sometimes I see it like a video game. I just love it. It's the best feeling in the world. A perfect day kayaking, for me, it will be just doing something new that I haven't done, and mostly doing it with my friends. I don't really feel the need to compete, or not that much. What I feel is I need to compete against myself to become a better kayaker and to push my sport to a new level. What I try to do when I'm about to run a waterfall is to really feel calm and to imagine myself doing a perfect line, and I just try to keep on imagining myself doing it perfect. If I don't get to see that, then I'm just gonna walk the waterfall. When you run a big waterfall, it just feels like flying. You get to the lip, you get to see all the landscape, and suddenly you're dropping down. It makes me feel so good. You really need to have the head on your shoulders and be smart about what you're doing and do it right, because if you fuck up hard, you might die, and I don't want to die. My motivations and objectives in life mostly are just to keep on doing what I do, stepping up my game, just make this sport bigger and way more crazy, yeah.